Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Mint Mobile personal hotspot suddenly stops working and other devices can no longer connect to the internet, it can become upsetting, especially when everything seemed completely fine before. Sometimes the Mint Mobile hotspot turns on, but connected devices show no internet access, while other times the hotspot option disappears or refuses to activate altogether. A situation like this can happen because of mobile data settings, signal interruptions, hotspot limits, or temporary network glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Mint Mobile personal hotspot problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Mint Mobile personal hotspot not working. Try these. Step 1. Check mobile signal on the phone using Mint Mobile personal hotspot before testing the connection again. Step 2. Turn hotspot settings off and back on inside the phone using Mint Mobile personal hotspot. Step 3. Confirm mobile data stays enabled on the phone using Mint Mobile personal hotspot if internet stops working. Step 4. Restart the phone using Mint Mobile personal hotspot to refresh network settings normally. Step 5. Reconnect another device to the Mint Mobile personal hotspot and enter the correct password again. Step 6. Test browsing on the connected device and confirm the Mint Mobile personal hotspot works properly.